Dear God, as the sun rises and a new day begins, I come before you with a grateful heart. Thank you for the gift of life, for the breath I take, and for the opportunities that lie ahead. Guide my thoughts and my actions today. Grant me the wisdom to make the right choices, the strength to face challenges, and the compassion to help others. May I speak kindly and positivity, reflecting your love in all I do. Help me to stay focused on my goals and to remain patient and resilient in the face of adversity. Bless my family and friends. Keep them safe in your grace. Fill this day with purpose and joy, and let me find beauty in the little things.